Ever seen those travelers who seem to have cracked the Da Vinci Code of travel? You know the ones, gliding through airports like they're on a magic carpet, scoring deals that would make a bargain hunter weep, and blending into local cultures faster than a chameleon at a paint factory. Well, buckle up, Buttercup. By the time this video wraps up, you'll be armed with more travel superpowers than a globe-trotting superhero. A well-planned itinerary is your golden ticket to an epic adventure. But here's the plot twist. Leave room for spontaneity. It's like packing your favorite pair of stretchy pants. You never know when you'll need that extra wiggle room. On my Japan trip, I booked flights and initial Tokyo accommodations, leaving the rest as open as my mouth at a sushi conveyor belt. This flexibility led to discovering an unlisted local festival in Kyoto. Turns out, the best souvenirs are the ones that don't fit in your suitcase. Embrace the digital age with TripIt or Google Travel. These apps are like having a personal assistant who never sleeps and never asks for a raise. They'll consolidate your flight details, hotel reservations, and car rentals faster than you can say, "Where's my passport?" TripIt can even sync with your email, automatically importing travel confirmations. It's like magic, but without the annoying rabbits. Dive into apps like GetYourGuide or Viator for local events. In Berlin, I stumbled upon a local music festival through Facebook events. It wasn't advertised to tourists, which meant authentic experiences and fewer selfie sticks. Win-win. Pro tip: book popular attractions online in advance or visit during off-peak hours. Nobody ever reminisced about that meticulously planned afternoon they spent, waiting in line for 3 hours at a museum, looking longingly at their watch and wondering if they'll ever see daylight again. Picture this. You're exploring the ancient streets of Dubrovnik, Croatia, channeling your inner Khaleesi, when suddenly your internet cuts out. Panic? Not you, you savvy traveler. Download city maps using apps like Google Maps before venturing out. This saved me in Bangkok when I wandered into markets so off the beaten path. Even the beaten path had lost track of them. Without offline maps, I might still be there, trying to barter my way home with nothing but a handful of colorful baht and a winning smile. Utilize offline language packs in Google Translate. In Tokyo, this feature helped me communicate with a taxi driver who didn't speak English. I typed in my destination, and the app provided the Japanese translation, bridging the language gap faster than you can say, "Arigato gozaimasu," which, thanks to the app, I now know means, "Thank you very much." For East Asian languages, the Papago app is a linguistic superhero, specializing in Korean, Japanese, and Chinese. These tools not only enhance navigation and communication, but also prevent those awkward moments where you think you're complimenting someone's cooking, but accidentally tell them their house smells like feet. Trust me, been there, done that. Got the confused stares to prove it. Remember, fellow adventurers, in the grand tapestry of travel, it's often the loose threads that make the most interesting patterns. So plan, but don't overplan. Download, but don't disengage. And above all, embrace the unexpected. It's the secret ingredient in the recipe for unforgettable journeys. Data roaming charges can be scarier than a hostel with 1-star reviews and a complimentary cockroach infestation. First rule of Travel Club: turn off that data roaming. Unless you want to come home to a phone bill that looks like the GDP of a small country. Instead, say hello to your new travel BFF, the eSIM card. It's like a digital superhero for your phone, swooping in to save you from those "I just sold my kidney to pay my phone bill" moments. Now, let me introduce you to some eSIM providers that'll make your wallet sing with joy. Companies like Airalo and Klook are serving up eSIM plans tastier than airport food. And that's not saying much, but you get the point. Picture this. You're gallivanting through Europe, posting selfies faster than you can say, "croissant." That was me, living my best life with a 5 GB data plan from Airalo. And guess what? It only cost me $20 and covered 41 countries. That's less than the price of a mediocre tourist trap meal. By avoiding those pesky roaming charges, you can spend your hard-earned cash on the important things in life. How about that extra scoop of gelato in Florence? Or maybe a gondola ride in Venice where you can pretend you're in a rom-com? Or perhaps a beret in Paris that you'll wear exactly once before realizing you can't pull it off. The point is, with an eSIM, you're not just saving money. You're investing in experiences. And isn't that what travel is all about? Well, that and collecting fridge magnets from every city you visit. So remember, folks, say no to roaming, yes to eSIM, and hello to more travel adventures. Your Instagram feed and your bank account will thank you. The carry-on bag is your trusty sidekick in the unpredictable world of travel. Let's turn it into a Mary Poppins bag of wonders, shall we? Pack a change of clothes that would make a quick change artist jealous. Trust me, when your luggage decides to take an extended vacation without you, you'll be grateful. Pro tip, roll your clothes to save space and prevent wrinkles. You'll look fresh, even if you don't feel it. Think miniature everything, like you're packing for a very clean dollhouse. Toothbrush? Check. Deodorant? Double check. Your seatmates will thank you. Face wipes? Triple check. Because nothing says, I'm ready to tackle this new city, like yesterday's mascara running down your cheeks. Keep your meds closer than your dreams of upgrading to business class. Throw in some painkillers too. They're like a reset button for travel headaches. Load up that tablet or e-reader like it's the last lifeboat on the Titanic of boredom. Books, movies, games, whatever keeps you from counting the ceiling tiles during delays. Document dossier, passport, boarding pass, hotel reservations. Keep these closer than your secret stash of airplane snacks. Because nothing spices up a trip like a game of Where's Waldo Passport Edition at the check-in counter. Remember, your carry-on is your travel Swiss Army knife. Pack it right and you'll be ready for anything, from surprise overnights to impromptu beach detours. Because in the game of travel, the prepared passenger always wins. Now go forth and conquer those friendly skies. That's it for part 1 of our travel hacks extravaganza. But wait, there's more. In our next video, we'll reveal 5 more game-changing tips, including savvy currency strategies and the secret to breezing through airport security. Don't miss it. Click the link in the description to watch part 2 when it's available. If you found these tips helpful, smash that like button and subscribe for more travel wisdom. See you in the next video, where we'll take your travel game to the next level.